Hello friends, in last lecture we have completed our theoretical part of radiation. We'll take one example on the radiation shield. So this is from the question paper. This is question paper, right? So I'll write down the two large parallel plates with emissivity is equals to 0 point each are maintained at different temperature and are exchanging heat only by radiation. Two equally large radiation shield, two equally large radiation shield with the surface emissivity 0.05 each are introduced in parallel to the plates, right? Find the percentage reduction in net radiative heat transfer right? This is very simple example. This will ask for 7 or 8 marks. So first of all, these are two parallel plates. I'll draw here having T1 temperature, T2 temperature, emissivity of each is equals to 1, that is emissivity 1 is equals to emissivity 2, right? These are the plates. We have to introduce two radiation shield. Suppose this is the radiation shield, right? Having emissivity same here, right? Emissivity 3, emissivity 3, 4, emissivity 1, emissivity 2. So Q without shield, here surface space, rho. We have the direct formula, that is sigma T1 raised to 4 minus T2 raised to 4 divided by 1 upon epsilon 1 divided by epsilon 1 or plate plus 1 upon epsilon 2 divided by epsilon 2, right, of a plate. So this is the general formula I written here. So sigma, this is parallel plate, T1 raised to 4 minus T2 raised to 4 divided by 1 upon epsilon 1 plus 1 upon epsilon 2 minus 1. Here epsilon 1 is equals to epsilon 2. So we write here epsilon also, right? So put the values of these then, which is equals to, right? We can write as this sigma T1 raised to 4 minus T2 raised to 4 divided by 1 upon 0.5 plus 1 upon 0.5 minus 1, right? So put this value is constant because we have to calculate the percentage, right? Here T1 and T2 are not given, so we can write as C upon 1 upon 0.5 plus 1 upon 0.5 minus 1, which is equals to 0.33 C, right? Here temperature T1 and T2 are not given, only emissivity is given, and that we have to. Then when shields are used, so shields are used, shields are used. When shields are used, we have formula Q with shield, which is equals to sigma T1 raised to 4 minus T2 raised to 4. This is N shield formula. So 1 upon epsilon for plate, we say that, plus 1 upon epsilon plate. This is 1 2, but both are same. So 2 plus 2 into bracket 1 upon epsilon of this 3 shield, 1 upon epsilon 4, but both are same, so we can call it minus. There are 2 shields plus 1, right? So equation becomes sigma T1 raised to 4 minus T2 raised to 4 divided by 2 upon epsilon of plate plus 4 upon epsilon of shield minus 3. So put this value is a C upon 2 divided by 0.5 plus 4 divided by 0.05 minus 3, and which is equals to 0.01234 C, right? We have to calculate the percentage of reduction in heat flow, so which is equals to Q without shield minus Q with shield divided by Q without shield into 100, right? We have to calculate the percentage. That means into bracket 1 minus Q with shield divided by Q without shield, bracket close, into 100. We have 1 minus Q with shield. What is the value of Q with shield? 0.01234 C divided by Q without shield 0.33 C. C will get cancelled into 100. So this is 96.26% reduction of the heat takes place. So these are the very simple examples, and we'll discuss next chapter later on. Thank you. If you have any doubt, please ask me on phone call. Thank you.